Hello students, here we will continue our topic antibiotics. One of the antibiotics is given here, penicillin. Okay. In previous video we have discussed about penicillin, the first antibiotics discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928, right? So we will discuss here some medicinal uses of penicillin. Okay, from page number 92 here. Let's start. Penicillin is a group of antibiotics obtained from a fungus, Penicillium, and is used for controlling the infections caused by bacteria like Staphylococcus, Clostridia, Streptococcus, etc. Okay, penicillin. It is a group of antibiotics obtained from fungus. The name of the fungus is given here, penicillin, and because of that the name of the antibiotics is given penicillin. Okay, it is due to it is obtained from fungus penicillin, and it is used for controlling the infections caused by bacteria. The name of the bacteria are given here, Staphylococcus, Clostridia, Streptococcus. These are harmful bacteria. Okay, so they are controlled by using this antibiotics. Medicines containing penicillin are useful to treat certain bacterial infections of ear, nose, throat, and skin, as well as diseases like pneumonia and scarlet fever. Okay, some medicines containing penicillins are used to treat some bacterial infections, infection of ear, nose, throat, and skin, as well as diseases like pneumonia and scarlet fever. Okay, on this, or it is treated by some medicine which contain penicillin. Okay, so these are the uses of penicillin, medicinal uses of penicillin. First is, penicillin is used for controlling the infections caused by bacteria such as Staphylococcus, Clostridia, and Streptococcus. Okay, this is the first medicinal use. Second, medicines containing penicillin are used to treat some bacterial infections of the ear, nose, throat, and skin. Okay. Third, it is used to treat diseases like pneumonia. And fourth, penicillin is also used in treatment of scarlet fever. Okay, so these are the medicinal uses of penicillin, which is obtained from funguses and which works against some bacteria. Okay, harmful bacteria. The name of the harmful bacteria are given here, Staphylococcus, Clostridia, Streptococcus. All right, then these two chart. Okay, these are also for extra reading. Then wonderful to know, this is also given as a extra reading. All right, and this is the picture or image of this great scientist, Dr. Alexander Fleming. In 1928 discovered the first antibiotics, penicillin. Okay, then next topic is our second topic of this lesson, harmful microorganisms. Okay, first we have discussed useful microorganisms, some uses of microbes. Now we are going to cover the second topic, harmful microorganisms. First is given fungi. All right, here are some given questions under the column can you recall. Okay, first question, which changes do you notice in leather articles and gunny bags during the rainy season? During rainy season, which changes do you notice in the leather bags and jute bags also? As you know, in rainy season, the humidity in the air is maximum, which allows the growth of microorganisms like fungi. Fungi obtain nutrition from these articles. These articles trap moisture, and that is the reason it allows the growth of microorganisms like fungi. Okay, therefore leather articles such as shoes, belts, and plant products like jute bags shows fungal growth in the form of black or white spots during the rainy season, right? In this season, okay, you can find some black and white spots in the jute or leather bags, shoes, belts, etc. Right? Why? Because of the humidity, and this is the favorable condition for the, or favorable atmosphere for the growth of the fungus. Second, for how long afterwards can you use those articles? Okay, can we use these articles? Due to fungal growth, these articles do not last long actually. Because of what? It is because fungal because of the growth of the fungus, it penetrates deep into the material of these articles to obtain nutrition and to reproduce. Okay, and this causes the materials of these articles to wear off and becomes weak. Due to this penetration and due to the multiplication, due to the reproduction of this fungus, the articles becomes weak, and that is the reason these articles do not last long. Due to all these